welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to teach you how to cook the yellow wine chickens. This is a very famous traditional Chinese confinement food. First, we need to prepare the chickens and this black fungus, mushrooms. Remember to soak before you use. Next, we need to prepare the gingers. Remember to cut it slices and the garlic. Of course, let me introduce you some important sauces that we need. First, we need sesame oil and rice yellow wines and soy sauce. Let's start to heat up the wok. So we got a wok hay and then place in all the black fungus and the mushroom. Ooh. And then it starts to cook. While we cook this dish, do not use a very high heat. Just switch to medium heat and we can continue to cook. So after we cooked about 1 minute, then we can bring it all up. As you can see, there's the black fungus and the mushrooms. It have the heat come out already. We need to take it all up. Later, we shall put in the ginger. Remember, this is a very important step that you only put in the ginger and start to cook the ginger first. At this time, you just have to focus to fry the gingers until the ginger's liquids can come out, so all the woks we can feel the ginger taste. After cooked the gingers, then we can add in a few drops of sesame oil. Good. Add more oil, then the sesame oil mixed with the gingers smells so good. Ooh, look at this, it keeps boiling. And the ginger smells with the sesame spread it out. If you can smell it, definitely you will love this. Okay, at these times, make sure you do not skip these steps. That's the reason I'm showing you that I cook steps long is to cook the ginger turns to golden browns. And then these times we can place back all the cooked black fungus and mushrooms and add in the garlic and then fries mix all over and continue to cook. You might be thinking, what next? Okay, actually I just want to add in a few drops of sesame oil again. This is optional that you want to put in or don't like to put in. It depends on yourself. While you're looking on the cooking videos, if you really like to learn more about Chinese recipes, remember to hit the subscribe button as it really motivates me to share more nice recipes for you. So just now I just add in the soy sauce and then I feel it's a little bit dry, so I need to add in the big cups of water. So the water is to make the soup paste. So let's make the soup paste now. You can see the colors coming out. So after you cook for a while, let's just cover it up and cook with medium heat and let it cook for about 5 minutes, alright? 5 minutes later now, let's see. As you can see, the soup paste is boiling with all the ingredients. Wow, sounds so nice. In these times, we can place in our chicken cube. Place in slowly to prevent all the soup paste come out already, okay? At this point, just want to let you know the portions of the chickens is depends on you are going to serve how many people. For this, I use about half chickens and it can serve up to 4 people, which means I'm enjoying it with my family. Okay, remember to cook the chicken patiently, alright? Slowly and the smells will be better. If you are the person that really like to drink soups, I recommend you to add more water because maybe you might not enough to drink. To let the soup paste taste better, we can add in half teaspoons of salt. Then we cover it with a cooking lid as this can make the soup mix well with the chickens and also cook well for the chickens. Then cover it for 5 minutes. So here's I spit it out and let you see 5 minutes later. Look at this. The skins of the combinations of the ingredients. You can see the colors it becomes darker. This time add in the yellow wine, just turn 3 rounds about that. And I really can smell the yellow wines really mix well with the soup. Flavor out of this soup paste. Can't wait to eat. Lastly, We can take some cornstarch and mix with a little bit water and place it in the soups to make the soups thicker, as this step is very important to let the soup not too watery and become thicker. So we continue to cook it until it boils. Add in 1 tablespoon of sugars. This can level up the sweetness of the soup if you don't like too salty soup. And then let's just wait about 3 to 5 minutes and it's ready to serve. Woohoo! See that? Wow, all these combinations look so good, so nice. Can't wait to eat. So my videos has come to the end. Remember to serve with a few bowls of rice, as it's really nice to mix with the rice. If you liked my recipes, so remember to hit the subscribe and like buttons and share to your families and friends. And this is a very good, famous Chinese confinement food. Remember to save it too. I am Little Garlic Kitchen. Bye bye. See you next time.